Hello and welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. It's Saturday. I've been on a roll making videos. Things have been going really smoothly. And by the time I guess you see this video, it'll probably be September. So I'm trying to produce enough videos to give me 1 month of leeway in content promotion. I say that because I want to tell you a nice little story about, what my real focus is and what really gets me excited. I saw a movie on Netflix. It's called Algorithms, and that word alone explains why I build the things that I do, why I like my code running with little to no errors, and optimize as much as possible. I am an algorithm junkie. I love to look at how people write code, study algorithms, regardless of what they are, and see how they work, why certain parts of the algorithm works the way they do, what's the benefit of constructing your code and solving your problem in that way, and then disassemble the algorithm and use pieces of it in new algorithms or build new algorithms of my own. That is how Nimble was formed and created. It's a series of studying how other people do things and learning and observing the nuances of how applications perform to create my own algorithms and my own application. That being said, I got a few things to show you today. Since you won't be seeing this for probably another 30 days, what I wanted to do was do a quick recap, because on the first video I did for season 3 with the login panel, I pre-built this one. I know I said I wasn't going to do this, but I just wanted to show you the results of how it looks on a more of a standard dialog. So I pre-built the same item and put it on a dialog that resembles more of a desktop dialog, and you see that it works the same. I really like the drop shadow, the way I enhanced it with a little drop shadow on the elements. You can minimize it, and the responsiveness is really like it's 3D. Really looks like a 3D application. Just wanted to show you that just as the output. Another story I wanted to tell you is a feature that I was considering adding. I guess last weekend or last week, a colleague of mine had mentioned that GitHub had created GitLab, and it's sort of like integrating multiple features and functionalities online. And it got me thinking that I would love to have put my Trello boards as just an iframe container, similar to the way I did my tutorials for Nimble. So, I just grabbed a link from my Trello boards. I don't know if you even knew that I had one. I can just show you I have a Trello board for the Nimble IDE. It tracks as I work on things, or if there's anything that I'm thinking about. I also have one for the nimbleJS framework, which, as you can see, has not been touched for quite some time. It's been running so well and without an error that it's just a beautiful thing. But this is the kernel. This is the core of why Nimble is able to do what it's able to do, and it's been running flawlessly. If I have any bugs or things that I'm working on, it's the fact that I converted from the native code version of Nimble version 4 and created Nimble version 5, and I'm working out any minor bugs or typos I may have created in the process with these videos and demos. So I wanted to wrap this Trello board up and just display it within the new iframe, so that you could literally have a kanban type progress update right while you're working within the IDE. Unfortunately, Trello doesn't let you host their boards inside an iframe. So me being the tie that I am, instead of just I don't know if you pay for Trello or how it really works, I just said, well, hey, I can build my own. So I started breaking down the components, and I have all the components as of today. It only took a day to build these all for a Trello Kanban board. I'll let you see the header. I call it a Trello clone. Of course, there's a lot of fun, awesome icons. The content panel, which will be, I'm sure, improved. The scroll bar will I'll include OptiScroll on it. Just laying all the pieces out. And in my spare time over the next 30 days, I will be connecting these components to build a full-fledged kanban board for nimbleJS, and I'll host it, I guess, somewhere within the menu system. I wanted to show you that because Nimble, the whole power of Nimble is that nobody's safe. I can copy and duplicate and build any piece of software that someone else has by myself and probably get it up and functioning, running in under 6 months. That's the power of it. That's the beauty of it. Couple that with some of the awesome libraries that are out there free and available to use, such as SQL.js, and now you have the ability to stand up many databases and just get that type of back-end data support that you need without necessarily using JavaScript, JSON, you know, TaffyDB underscore, any of the JSON related database tools or data manipulation tools. You can just use a real SQL database right in your browser. So, like I said, this is August. You won't be seeing this till September, but I just wanted to serve notice of what I was doing, and by the time you see this video, I should be well on my way, provided that I have the time and no emergencies or any family-related things interrupt my progress. That's all I got. I hope you guys enjoy the show. Nimble version 5, season 3. Keep looking. Thank you.